Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, the host will delve into a critical, strategic issue for medical device manufacturers in Mexico: transferring the COFEPRIS registration holder. Navigating the Mexican market requires a local representative known as the Mexico Registration Holder, or MRH. This entity is not just a facilitator. They are the legal owner of your product's registration certificate issued by the health authority, COFEPRIS, the Federal Commission for the Protection Against Sanitary Risks. This single fact has major implications for your business continuity and market flexibility. A common pitfall for foreign manufacturers is appointing their initial distributor as the MRH. On the surface, this seems efficient. The distributor is on the ground and motivated to sell. However, this decision can lead to significant problems. Because the distributor owns the registration, your company's access to the entire Mexican market is tied to that single commercial relationship. If you decide to change distributors or add new ones, you are entirely dependent on the cooperation of the original distributor who holds your registration. They must approve any new distributors, creating a clear conflict of interest. If the relationship deteriorates, the distributor can refuse to cooperate, effectively holding your market access hostage. This brings us to the core of our topic: the transfer process. In Mexico, transferring ownership of a registration is officially possible. It is a legal process called a transfer of rights. This procedure requires the original registration holder to sign a rights transfer contract with the new independent holder. This contract must be formalized before a notary public. Furthermore, the original holder must willingly provide a complete copy of the technical dossier that was originally submitted to COFEPRIS, along with the registration certificate itself. The challenge lies in that word, willingly. If a distributor feels slighted, they have little incentive to cooperate in a smooth transfer. This reluctance can create long delays or outright refusal, forcing the manufacturer into a corner. The only alternative is to file a completely new registration with a new holder, a process that is both expensive and time-consuming, leading to lost sales and market presence. The best strategy is to avoid this situation from the start. We advise manufacturers to appoint an independent, professional third party as their Mexico registration holder. This separates the regulatory ownership of your product from your commercial distribution strategy. An independent holder works for you, the manufacturer, allowing you the freedom to add, remove, or change distributors as your business needs evolve, without jeopardizing your legal right to sell in the market. If you need help navigating the complexities of global market access in Mexico or other regions, please check out Pure Global. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.